What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Annoyability Technology. It is Milind over here, and basically in this video we are going to have a look at the latest iPhone 12 updates. We got some major changes in the iPhone 12 series lineup, especially the camera part seems to be having a major update. So in this video we are going to have a look at that. Before jumping on to the video, having a look at our sponsors. Tenorshare Reboot provides you an absolutely easy solution for fixing your iOS issues like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, etc. without any data loss. Simply get your device into the recovery mode in just one click and hit the Fix Now button. It will automatically download the latest firmware package and will quickly repair your device. Also use this coupon code to get an extra 30% off, or you can directly get a 70% discount on all Tenorshare products during their current big sales from the link in the video description. So getting back to the video, we are seeing a major difference in terms of comparison of the camera design of the upcoming iPhone 12 series. We were expecting that the camera will be like this, a quad design, and the LiDAR sensor will be of the same size as that of the other three cameras. But a new rumor as well as a new hands-on is showing the actual chassis which actually got leaked of the upcoming iPhone 12 Pro. This is the chassis of the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 Pro model, and we can see that the camera of the iPhone 12 just looks similar to that of the iPhone 11 Pro Max, except that we are getting a smaller LiDAR sensor in that. So basically guys, this is the actual hands-on which is actually coming from one of the trusted sources. Even a day ago, Everything Apple Pro just tweeted the same thing on the Twitter. Both the models of the iPhone, the maximum, the iPhone 12 Pro Max as well as the iPhone 12 Pro, will be getting the LiDAR scanner, and the other two will be having just the normal cameras. Also guys, carefully looking at this, we found that we also are able to see a 5G antenna module inside this chassis, which indicates that the iPhone 12 series is going to support the 5G models. Apart from this guys, the another major update that is actually coming indicates that all the four models will be featuring the latest OLED panel instead of the TFT LCD panel, which is a good thing. But one sad thing is also there, that only the Pro models, the 6.7-inch iPhone and the 6.1-inch, will be supporting the 120 Hz. Means that the other two models, the 5.4-inch and the normal 6.1-inch model, will probably be getting the 60 Hz, or either we can hope for a 90 Hz display, but not 120 Hz. And finally guys, Apple is holding their official event tomorrow on 15th of September, in which they will be featuring or releasing some of their latest products, but we are not going to see the iPhone 12 lineup in this event, tomorrow's event, because Apple has already confirmed in the June and July month itself that there is some production delay in the iPhone 12 series. So we are going to see another special event for the iPhone 12 series launch in the October. But tomorrow's event on 15th of September, we will be seeing the latest Apple Watch Series 6, Apple iPad Air 4th generation, the upgraded version. Also Apple is gonna introduce some latest updates in their Apple TV AirTags and many cool things like that. One more thing I just want to point out is that we have a experience from the Apple while seeing their previous events as well, that they actually showcase their iPhone colors in their logo of the event launch. As you're able to see this time, they have actually designed a kind of a bluish tone logo, which really looks cool. And as we were expecting a navy blue color, or whatever Apple may call it, we are gonna see that amazing, cool looking, vibrant blue color iPhone model in this iPhone 12 series. Maybe Apple may just give an introduction that they are gonna launch their iPhone 12 series, but whatever, we are gonna just know that tomorrow. So we hope to see something powerful launch in this tomorrow's event. With this guys, this is all the latest updates about this week's iPhone 12 series and the lineup. I hope you found this as excited, and I also hope that you are excited for the tomorrow's event to see. So let us know guys that what do you think about this new camera module of the 6.1-inch iPhone 12 model. And with this, signing off, this is Melon from Anoility Technology. I will catch you guys in the next one. For now, peace out. Tenorshare Reboot provides you an absolutely easy solution for fixing your iOS issues like stuck on Apple logo, screen won't turn on, etc. without any data loss. Simply get your device into the recovery mode in just one click and hit the Fix Now button. It will automatically download the latest firmware package and will quickly repair your device. Also use this coupon code to get an extra 30% off, or you can directly get a 70% discount on all Tenorshare products during their current big sales from the link in the video description.